If you're looking for ideas for gifts for Christmas, birthdays, or thank you presents, for anyone who's a baker, whether professional, hobby, or a wannabe baker, someone who wants to get into baking, I'm going to share my gift ideas for all budgets, including some homemade DIY gifts. And I've got some great discount codes so you can save some money too. Copper measuring cups and spoons are practical and useful, but also they're rose gold, so they're trendy and classy. You can do all sorts of decorating with piping tips, and they come like these regular silver ones, or you can get them in gold too. Russian tips are really incredible. You can pipe any kind of flower with them, and the entire flower comes out of the top with just a squeeze of the piping bag. Everyone loves sprinkles, and my favourite are fancy sprinkles. They come in beautiful colours, including metallics, generous bottle sizes, and they have gift sets too, which are perfect for Secret Santa. You can get 15% off all of your fancy sprinkles orders with my code BritishGirl15. Edible gold or silver leaf are nice luxuries to have when decorating cakes or any sort of baking. And to do any frosting or decorating of cakes, it's really useful to have a turntable. They come in plastic, stainless steel, or even fancy cast iron versions. If you're enjoying this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for a new cake decorating tutorial every week. For the smoothest frosting on cakes, gift an acrylic frosting smoother. And my favourite is this OG frosting scraper by CakeSafe, and you can get 10% off with my code BritishGirlBakes. Hot chocolate bombs are super trendy at the moment, and you can give someone a mould so they can make them, or make your own for a fun DIY gift. Check out my tutorial on everything you need to know to make them. Give someone a mug with a homemade hot chocolate bomb inside, or put a silicone mould to make their own hot chocolate bombs inside the mug, like this, or just give them a mug because bakers always need caffeine. An apron is a functional gift, but you can find prints or designs or patterns to make them fun. And for cake-themed clothes, try Purple Cow Apparel. They make all sorts of t-shirts and sweaters with cake slices on them, and you can use my discount code Emily10 to get 10% off. If you're looking for something practical, gel colours are one of the supplies that bakers get through really quickly, so they're always useful. And new cake pans are also practical. Or, if you want something more interesting, try a silicone mould to bake donuts. Other moulds are fun to make marshmallows or candy or chocolate decorations, like dinosaur moulds or mermaid tails. A KitchenAid mixer, no explanation needed, it's every baker's dream to have one. And if they already have a KitchenAid, the attachments are fantastic too. You can get a lid to prevent sugar or liquid ingredients spraying out of the mixer, or a special paddle attachment so you don't have to scrape around the mixer to loosen any ingredients stuck to the bowl. There are also fun add-ons like this tool which will peel, core, slice, and spiralize for you. You can find all sorts of fun cookie cutters, either as a set or individual, and you can hang these on a Christmas tree as a fun ornament as well. A marble pastry board is fantastic for rolling out cookie dough or a pie crust, and you can even find a matching marble rolling pin. Not the most exciting of gifts, but very useful, a cookie baking tray, a wire cooling rack for cookies or cakes or cupcakes, and a silicone mat for baking cookies or macarons. Finally, this tiny baking set, which you can use to make tiny pies, cakes, cookies, pastries, and it even comes with a tiny recipe book inside. I hope I've given you some fun ideas for gifts for your friends or family members who are bakers. Let me know in the comments if you used any of them and what the reaction was. Subscribe to my channel for a new cake decorating tutorial every week.